That's why I wanted to so much receive myself on what he can say.
No. You are a smart officer who is able to lie with your eyes open. So tell me, why is Mr. Njenga the first accused?
Your Honor, when the matter was taken over by DCIO Nakuru East, I didn't have any input of what took place after.
Do you know who arrested Mr. Njenga? Do you know why he was arrested?
No, Your Honor.
Something curious. Immediately you arrested these 8 persons. Can you confirm that the gateman was named David Maina? You are aware that there was an independence application that was filed to have him detained alongside the others for 7 days.
Your Honor, I didn't engage further.
Would you be surprised that he is one of those who are named as the persons to be detained? Would you be surprised?
Your Honor, I said that during the recovery, all the details for the session CCIO's office.
Maybe we can show you this. You confirm that the name of the only one is there?
Yes, he said it's
With your experience as a long-serving police officer,
yes, sure.
why would the name of Samson Anak be put in an application as a respondent if he is not an arrested person?
Who you are?
I'm using your name as symbolically. Okay. Why would you be surprised that the Odimwangi is one of those who are named as respondents to be detained if he was indeed a free man, as you are saying?
Your Honor, it wasn't free as such because he is among the persons they were escorted to Nakuru not for further investigations.
You confirm that you took these suspects to the net, you said?
So CCIO's office in Nakuru, where they were taken over by the CCIO Nakuru.
Okay. You took them immediately in the morning after you had concluded your... But there are photographs taken here. Are you aware how they were taken? Because from your statement, I don't see that there was a sense of crime photographer with you that evening.
Morning.
That morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have one?
No, Your Honor.
So these photographs were manufactured after the event?
No, Your Honor. The scene of crime arrived and they took photographs of the evidence as they were.
You confirm,
Your Honor,
that the motor vehicles that were found in the compound were taken away alongside the service?
yes, to Nakuru CCIO's office. To Nakuru CCIO's office.
Yes. What was the interest in the motor vehicles?
Your Honor, I cannot comment that one because it was an investigation by the CCIO.
Okay, maybe I should have framed the question this way. While you were there,
Yes, Your
are you aware whether the motor vehicles were open for a search?
Yes, Your
Have they been named in any statement you are aware of?
Statement regarding to
Any of you, those officers who interacted,
Yes.
and you have said in your statement that you actually drove these vehicles to the CCM.
CCS office, Your Honor.
Who provided the car keys?
Hitman, Your Honor.
Who requested for the car keys?
Mr. Nax, Your Honor.
Do you know how they were released?
I know, Your Honor.
Sorry?
No, I would also restrict myself to my statement, Your Honor, that after...
No. When you are here,
Yes.
it's not to vegetate your story, your old story. In fact, you're already changing
I
the story
don't
significantly.
know the list, Your Honor.
But nowhere has there been a statement linking the motor vehicles with the charges that have been framed. And those charges that have been framed in the charge sheet. I have read the statements of your colleagues,
Your Honor.
and most of, if not all, of those who participated in that raid
Yes, Your Honor.
state that after they were arrested, they were taken to the CCI's office for record taking. Also, their statement taking rather not good.
Your Honor.
That's true.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you aware, if not confirmed, whether you were advised that they had a right to legal representation?
I'm not aware, Your Honor.
Are you aware, if not confirmed, that even at the time of arrest, you did not inform them of the offense that you suspected them to have committed?
They were informed by Mr. Lenet, Your Honor, as to the reason you were there.
But in your statement you say that Mr. Langat, as he was briefing you, he said the intention of the people meeting was unknown.
Yes, Your Honor.
You see the contradiction that you are saying this is a criminal gang, but their intention is unknown.
Your Honor, my statement indicates the intention for covering.
Sorry?
The intention for the safe covering was unknown, Your Honor. I think that's
Yes.
my statement, Your Honor.
So why presume that they are gathered as a criminal organization and you don't know what the intention is?
It was from the brief we received, Your Honor, from Mr. Lenet.
But you can confirm that they were found asleep
Yes, Your Honor.
and they were woken up by yourself? Yeah?
Yes, Your Honor, they were woken up by police officers.
Are you familiar with the constitutional framework?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know that there is a principle of human dignity?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know that there is a principle of privacy? Do you know that there is a right to have to keep the peace?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you find people sleeping, why do you wake them up in the wee hours of the 30th of May, 2023?
Your Honor, given the level of intelligence that were given, there was need for such to be woken up to ascertain and confirm the allegations, Your Honor.
When did you receive this intelligence?
In that morning, as the team were briefed on that morning.
But the charge sheet reads that they were committing these offenses or were planning to commit them. But they were committing these offenses between 11th of May and 18th of May.
I cannot comment on the investigation that took place after.
So you confirm if there was any investigation which you are not aware of, can only have happened after the raid.
This one is why I was there personally and my team was that we were.
But you were not participating in an investigation, you were participating in a raid.
Yes, Your Honor.
Against your enemies.
Not enemies, Your Honor.
If you look at your smartphone, you can check what raid means. It is a military attack against enemies.
But we are not military when we are police officers.
Yes. You are militarized. You are even going to Haiti. As I conclude, this taking away of motor vehicles which were parked in somebody's compound, you do not have the permission of the owner nor an order of any court. Correct? When somebody takes something of yours without your permission and without a court order, what is that? How do you describe it?
Your Honor, it can be described as stealing because the law also provides for a police officer for the hours.
I'm not asking you what it is not described as, I'm asking you what is it? How do you describe when somebody takes your property without your information, without your authority?
Police officers, Your Honor.
Sorry?
By police officers.
Whoever it is, there is no authority. Being a police officer is not being a judge.
I understand.
You are not a court order. You are just a police officer, a civilian.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you are not authorized to. Is that what we call impunity? That a police officer considers himself above the law.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah.
When somebody takes someone else's property without authority, without permission, and without court process or due process, what do you call that?
Your Honor, it's in a course of an investigation. And
What is the investigation? I'm asking you to define what that constitutes as. Is it not theft?
no, Your Honor.
You are thieves. You commandeer the vehicle or vehicles without authority. The vehicles are not named in the charge sheet. They are nobody other than yourself and the few others who say we took these vehicles. There is no reason for taking them. You are carjackers.
That also brings good faith that we still it in
There
our
is no
statements.
good faith in stealing.
No, Your Honor, it's not stealing.
You may not agree that it is stealing, but it is theft. Because, one, you went there to plant whatever you are describing as drugs, narcotics and guns. You did not seek a court order to search, to do a legal search. You know that it's illegal to conduct anything other than where there is a cognizable offense. You are supposed to seek a summons from court to get that person you are seeking to report to you.
Yes, I'm aware.
You are aware that there is a form called thief is true.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's an instrument you can lawfully use to get someone and get information.
Yes, Your Honor.
I put it to you that yourself and your colleagues, juniors and seniors, from Wesley downwards, conducted yourselves in a most unlawful and obnoxious manner that is contrary to the Constitution of Kenya, contrary to the standing orders, and contrary to the law generally, but most importantly, you did not give the persons who were arrested sufficient information as to why you were seeking to arrest them. And further, more importantly, you are just thieves. You are criminals who went to steal cars from wherever they were. It's probably because you were too many that you feared. That
Maybe I don't have checked with what kind of language. The law is clear.
I will surrender the witness to my colleague, Mr. Njenga, but I don't know what you can call somebody who has stolen. What else?
Yes, Mr. Ndego.
Yes.